Hello, and we're back at the Choice channel. We've got our second video here. In the previous video we opened up the box, and now we've set it all up. Now it's on the actual poster, so on the actual field. Looks really cool. Very muddy underground. Right. Black and brown Play-Doh, the lift machine, the saw machine, and the actual presser. Let's see how it works. And if we can make some bricks. I'll take the brown one. I think what we do, we place it in there like a sausage. Maybe too thick, maybe a little bit thinner. Alright, let's see what happens. Then our saw machine will cut off the pieces if we reach the right length. Then the lift machine can pick it up. Oh, I need a bit of help here. Yeah, I think you can create more shapes. So let's use some black here. I use a little bit less than the brown one because the brown was a bit too much in the end. Oh, there's some glitters in there. Very cool. Press that in there as well. Alright, we'll do a different shape. Alright, Mr. Lift can lift them up. And he can transport them wherever they needed to go. Alright, that's our video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please subscribe to our channel down below for free. And always be the first one to be informed about new videos. As you can see, we had a few tools here. So we have a presser, you've got a saw machine or a sawmill, and you've got a lift machine with two different colors, Play-Doh, brown and black. yeah, if you've got any questions or comments, please write them down below, and we're happy to answer. And hopefully we'll see you soon and next time at the Toys channel. Have a good day. Bye.